Hey, Chef and Chefettes!
What's up, YouTube?
We are back!
Back with another video, baby!
We jumping right into this ingredients today to make this delicious smoked whole chicken. But you see the title, you know what we calling it.
Okay.
But it's gonna be amazing. Let me tell you what you're gonna need to make this, all right? So you're gonna need some brown sugar, you're gonna need some hot sauce. We are using our homemade hot sauce.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Sorry.
Pepper sauce.
We're using pepper sauce, okay? If you don't have homemade pepper sauce, you can use hot sauce.
Don't ever call my
If you
pepper sauce
do not
hot sauce.
want it hot, don't put that, okay?
Huh.
Now, Chef Trini is gonna drop a link in the description of how to make our homemade pepper sauce. All right?
Yeah, y'all wait for that.
Shut your stupid ass up.
Back to the ingredients. We're gonna need some oil, like I said, homemade green seasoning. You guys should already know how to make this. We use it on everything, right, Chef Trini?
It's optional.
It is optional, but you should make it, okay? Because it's good for all kinds of meats. All right, moving on. We need some salt, black pepper, some onion powder, garlic powder, some sazon, and some chili powder. And of course, you're gonna need a whole chicken, guys. That's all you're gonna need to make this banging meal. So stay tuned to see what we do with
Alright, chefs and chefettes. Hope you guys hit that like, comment, and subscribe. So Chef Sam told you guys all the ingredients we're gonna need. So now we're gonna jump right into seasoning your bird. So the first thing we did was we took our bird out the pack. We washed it in lime and vinegar. We cut off the excess fat, skin. If it got any feathers, pluck those feathers off. Give it a nice little pat dry. And there you have it. Now you got your bird. It's time to season this bird. Guys, so what we did was we took our oil. We added our pepper sauce. You may not have pepper sauce. You might have hot sauce. We added our pepper sauce to our oil. And you're just gonna coat this. What this is gonna do is it's gonna allow your seasonings to stick to your bird better. All right?
Mm-hmm. Now, Chef Trini, if they...
There's no questions. No questions.
All right.
No questions. Put your question in the comments.
Really, nigga?
All right.
I just played. What?
I was going to tell you as soon as you turn around. So if they don't have pepper sauce or hot sauce, can they omit it if they don't want it hot? Is it optional?
Go buy some.
Oh God. Somebody pray for
Guys,
me.
this is not gonna make your bird hot, but it's gonna give your oil a little flavor. But if you ain't got hot sauce or pepper sauce, then just use oil, okay? Yes, you see that? I can smell it.
Chef Trini, I have a next question.
No, that's it. I questioned out. No more questions. Shit, man.
So if they don't...
I said no more questions.
So if they don't have homemade green seasoning, right? Can they just add the dry rubs together and it'll still be sticking? Or it'll still stick?
What did your dumb ass say it?
Guys, the green seasoning is optional, like Chef Sam said. So I don't know why she's asking that question. If you don't have green seasoning, don't use it. because the oil is going to make your seasoning stick.
Oh my God! Wow!
There you go. Now you answer the question.
But you're asking a question you should know.
I know, but what about if our chef and chefettes do not know?
So let them put it in the comments. I'll answer it.
You will? What if you're busy?
Yo, let me grease this bird, please.
Come, you moving so slow. You can't multitask. You can't answer my questions.
Because you're gonna ask like 6 questions.
So what? I'm gonna answer 7 when I figure it out.
Don't ask me more questions. Guys, so our bird is nice and covered. I could smell the pepper sauce on there. That's gonna give it a nice flavor. Guys, so here we have our mixture of all our seasonings. See, it was a dry rub, but when we added the green seasoning, it became a wet rub. So I'm gonna mix it around. Guys, that's why I put on gloves, because I like to use my hands when I'm seasoning my meat. That way you can massage it in there and get it all in the nooks and crannies. You may want to use a brush, but guess what? You don't need it. So I'm gonna take some of this seasoning, get it on there, and rub it in, guys. Rub it in. Don't forget to put your hand in the caca hole.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I don't think that's what they call it.
The cavity.
Okay, thank you.
But make sure you get in there and get some of that seasoning in there and do both sides, guys. So I'm gonna rub this whole bird down. I'm gonna caress it, slap it, flip it, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. All right, chefs and chefettes, we outside. Guys, we took our seasoned bird from the fridge. We left our bird overnight so it could season and taste so much better. Chef Sam lit our smoker. She lit the charcoals first. Once the charcoal was lit, then she threw the wood chunks. We're using cherry because cherry is good for chicken. So she threw the cherry wood chunks in there. Then we took a pan, put a little water in the pan, and she put the same seasonings in the pan so our bird don't dry out. I'm gonna show you how that looks. Now, it's time. You're like, how are you gonna get that bird to sit in there? Guys, that's the secret. Bear can chicken. So you're gonna get your favorite bear. Modelo isn't my favorite. This is the only one they had that wasn't about $3.50, because not every inflation, man.
For real.
$3.50 for this can of beer. So this was the cheapest beer I could find in the bodega.
Out of pocket for that shit. Way out of pocket.
You want the beer down to about 3/4. Please don't put a full beer. So give me 1 second.
It's good?
Guys, you're gonna take your bird. Drain it off. You're gonna put this beer can in this bird's backside.
What? Say that one more time. What?
You're going to put this beer can in this bird's backside.
Wow.
And she took the whole thing.
That's crazy.
Guys, and we're gonna put this chicken in the center of our offset smoker. You don't want to put it too close to the flame because it's gonna burn. So I'm gonna put this right here. Guys, chicken take about maybe an hour and a half. But if you watched our last video, remember when you're smoking, you want to get a thermometer and you want your meats to the perfect temperature. So we're gonna leave this in here for about 45 minutes, halfway through, and we're gonna check on it. I'm gonna show you what it looks like.
Chef and Chefette, it's been 45 minutes. I just opened the smoker and look at our beautiful bird. Okay, this is what it looks like. It still has to cook, okay? We still got a long way to go. Let me turn it just so you can see what it looks like. All right, nice and slow. I don't want this bad boy to fall on me. Woo! I'm burning my fingers. I'm burning my fingers, Chef Trudy. Ooh, Chef Trudy, I'm burning my fingers. All right, guys, look at this. Look at the other side. Look at that. You like it? It's beautiful, right? All right, guys, we're going to cook this a little bit more, and then we're going to show you what it's looking like.
For another 45 minutes.
Another 45 minutes. Chef and Chefettes. Guys, our smoked chicken is done. Look how amazing that looks. So we used our thermometer, and inside the chicken breast, we took the temperature, and it was at 165. So you know this bad boy is ready to go down in our tummies. Guys, if you have a smoker, even if you don't, you can still make this in the oven. Make you this recipe. It's going to be amazing. Look how good it looks. Chef Trini ready to eat. You ready to eat, Chef Trini?
Don't worry about me.
All right. Well, forget about him. I'm ready to eat. So, without further more, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
And make this chicken.
Make sure you tell a friend to come and watch it with you and hit that post notification bell.
And did you tell me it only took an hour and a half?
And it only took an hour and a half. You guys have an hour and a half to kill to make this bird, okay? Guys, and that's it. And we are... Before you cut this bad boy, let it sit for about 10 minutes. Let all those juices, okay, flow through your chicken.